Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share our overnight bonding with the ladies. This vlog is going to be a little short, guys, so yeah. I just wanted to upload it here so that someday when I reminisce about these moments, I can always come back and watch them
Yeah, this
again.
is my first time sa DI, guys.
So here we are, guys, getting ready because it was already getting late. It was around 7 p.m. at that time, and honestly, we were supposed to leave earlier, but things didn't go exactly as planned. We got delayed because some people were really indecisive and kept changing their minds. One thing also, if the overnight would really push through because the weather that afternoon was a bit gloomy and the sky was dark and cloudy. And there was even a little drizzle which made us overthink if it was still a good idea to continue the overnight, guys. Some of us were already saying maybe we should just cancel it while others still wanted to go no matter what. That's also one of the reason why we got delayed because everyone kept asking if we were really continuing or not since some people were super indecisive. It took us a while before we finally made up our minds. But in the end, we still decided to go because we really wanted to spend time together and enjoy the night. Honestly, even the little delays and random discussions made the experience more memorable and funny because we were all just laughing and teasing each other the whole time. We all had different things to do. It really like a teamwork the whole night. Joe was definitely the master chef of the group, while Julia was the assistant chef and the one grilling the food with a little assistant for me, of course. And the other one, Jen, was also busy preparing the bonfire while the others were fixing things around the area. While Pia and I were the ones getting the things we needed and bringing stuff back and forth. Because we keep forgetting things. So yun guys, everyone was busy doing something except for the one who was just relaxing the whole time. The dog. But wait, technically there was still a job assigned because he became a little guard dog for the night. By the way guys, this is Sky, our cutesy naughty baby. So here's Joe, our cook for the day's video. So we only prepared a simple meal, guys. Fish, hot dog, tempura, and chicken, and mangoes. Nothing fancy, just simple food shared with good company. Oh. So I'm slowing down the way I speak, okay? Because some people say I talk too fast and I swallow my words. But I'm not even getting full. Huh? Hot dog. So, which one you like, guys? The fast one or the OA one? So, here's our Miss Pia preparing the tarf. So, they're tasting the sauce of tempura. Shout out also to Pia's family for letting us use their tarp, their things, all of the things you see, you saw, you seen in the video, it's theirs, guys. So thank you so much. So here's our bonfire. Guys, it's making me cringe na. So here's our bonfire prepared by Jen.
Sa iyang Facebook nga gisugo siyang mama ba niya wa siya kauyan sa gisugo niya. Mao lagi ni tanawa niyang dagway ron og blooming man tani ron ni. Ang naong lang murag mingming. Bonfire. Where's the bone, oy? Why we have only fire? Oy, asa mang bone ani? Ingon bonfire. Ingon bonfire. Bunot fire.
So this is how we spent the night, guys. Just teasing each other, not minding our other business or problems.
Bonfire pero asa ang bone? Where's the bone? Bunot fire? Guys, nasa lilitsyon guys. Ato sa bonfire? Ubos ta? Ay, magkano ka natin? Happy or something? Word of. Happy galina ako. Happy na ka ng black, oh. Ay, kanay. sa mga food.
Grabe na las Jace.
Time check. Okay, paniud to, pamahaw taron. Umad. Umad.
We ended up sleeping outside because we couldn't all fit inside the tent. What's funny is that Jewel, the owner of the tent, kept saying that the tent was super big and that we could probably even do circus treks inside because there was so much space. But I think she forgot to consider Pia's height. In the end, we still couldn't fit comfortably inside, so outside sleeping it is. One of my favorite parts of the night was when we were just quietly looking at the sky and stargazing for a while. It felt so peaceful and calming, especially with the cold breeze and the sound of everyone talking and laughing in the background. And since it was also the last day of April and to start the month of May, it honestly felt like such a nice way to welcome a new month.
Good morning.
Simple, peaceful, and full of memories with good people.
Morning.
You know the bad, but also a good thing about us. It's us being indecisive because it made our plans delayed, but it also allowed us to consider everyone's decision and make sure that everyone was comfortable and included in the final choice. And that's all. This is Madi. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Love lots.